Okay, hello guys, welcome to Building Web App YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about the attribute directive in Angular. For this example, I have created one simple user profile card and one input tag as well as one button. Okay, whenever I click the button, see the dark mode is applied. If I again click the same button, light mode is applied to the user profile card just by simple toggle. Okay, as well as I have used this input tag. Okay, when the user changes the name, simultaneously it reflects in the profile card. Okay, let's check the code first. So inside the project I have created one folder attribute directive. Under it I have created one profile component. So in this profile component I have the code for the profile card and input tag as well as the button. Don't get overwhelmed by the code. I will explain you step by step. Okay, so inside the TypeScript file I have given the username is dark mode, which is a boolean property, and the card color and text color. Okay, so when you load the browser here, when you load the browser, you can see the card which is having white color background and black color text, right? So I am using ngClass and ngStyle, which is an attribute directive in Angular. Okay, ngStyle is somewhat similar to inline style CSS. Okay, as you can see, you can give the background color and the value. See the color and the value. In ngClass, we can give the classes, right? See, right now here it is dark mode is a property. Whenever the property is set to true or vice versa, the dark mode and the light mode class gets applied. See here inside the CSS file I have written the dark mode and light mode CSS. Okay, so the attribute directive based on these conditions, okay, is dark mode is set to true or false, it gets applied, these classes gets applied. Okay, earlier we have studied the how to trigger the events, and okay, based on this event as well as the interpolation, I have given the toggle theme function, written the function inside the TypeScript file. So whenever I click the button, this method will be triggered and the dark mode is set to true or false. Okay, and the card color will get changed. Okay, if it is true, gray, which means if it is true, the dark mode is set to true, so this color will get applied. And for the text, it will get, if it is true, white color will get applied. Let me show in the browser. Right now white background, black text. Okay, when I choose dark mode, see the background is changed from white to black and the text is changed from black to white. See? So the attribute directive ngClass or ngStyle, which changes the behavior of the element. Okay, earlier we have studied the ngIf and ngFor. Okay, ngIf and ngFor will add or remove elements from the DOM, but here it will change the behavior of the UI element. See, inside I also used the input tag, which is two-way data binding. So from the HTML I'm giving the value, okay, and it gets updated in the TypeScript. And let me show in the, see here I'm entering the value, so this is the username property, so it will get update, this name will get replaced whatever the name which I given here, okay, and it binds to the HTML file. So the direction is like from HTML to the TypeScript, and this is one-way binding, like one-way communication, and from username to this interpolation, uh, kind of a binding only, but we are using interpolation here to display the data from this property to this HTML file. So this is a two-way data binding. So using this two-way data binding, we are updating the user name as well in the profile card. I hope you have understood, and if you have any doubt, please do comment in the comment section, and please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.